Hi everyone. We are moving along into week 9. The first 2 days of this week are spring break, so enjoy that. We're going to still keep moving on, however, because you have the rest of the week, and so we're going to be still having stuff to do. But I've minimized any requirements for this week to make it a little bit easier on you. The important thing is just to keep up with your readings. I did grade everyone's papers. Sorry that took so long, but I really wanted to make sure that I gave you personalized feedback. Some of you will find feedback in the Crocodoc, which is the visual display of your paper. You should be able to see that in your grade book. When you click on the score, it should show you your feedback, the rubric, and any notes in the Crocodoc will also be there. So if you have any trouble seeing those notes, let me know. Here's some general things that I found that I want to be sure to highlight. First, make sure that you have headings in your paper. I'm very clear on that in the assignment, so there shouldn't be any lack of clarity there. Also, make sure you use 12-inch font, New Times Roman. Remember, a paragraph is 3 to 4 sentences. Anytime the idea that you're talking about changes, you should move to a new paragraph. Don't have a paragraph that's a whole page. That's important. Make sure that you're using academic resources. It's okay to use a website to help make a point, but remember that for your research paper, you're going to be looking for academic articles, so you need to be sure you have those, and they should help frame your work. But here's the most important thing. If you didn't make the grade that you wanted to on this paper for whatever reason, you're going to need to put this paper into your final paper. So you have a chance to rewrite it and make it better for the final paper. The final paper is worth a lot more points, so it will really help pull up your grade at the very end of class. All you'll have to do is make some tweaks to this paper based on my feedback, and then you'll be able to put it into your final paper. It'll be really a chance to redeem if you didn't make the grade you wanted. If you have questions on the grade, please let me know. Tonight is when your methodology paper is due, the first one for qualitative. You may find that you've picked a wrong article. I'm going to be looking at the articles you picked, and I'm going to see if they're qualitative, if they have a methodology section. If I find that they're not, you're going to get a 0. However, I will let you resubmit the paper because I do know that this is a learning opportunity. So if you get a 0, you will be able to resubmit. Just keep that in mind when you see that grade, if that's what comes in. But remember, you've been warned, the article needs to have a methodology section and it needs to be qualitative research. You've learned from Creswell what qualitative research is, so it shouldn't be hard to pick that out. It may be harder to find the article though, so you can use keywords like grounded theory or case study or, well, case study is a hard one to use, but grounded theory, qualitative research, interviews, all are keywords that you could use when you're looking for your keywords. Police leadership interviews, police leadership grounded theory, police leadership phenomenology, police leadership ethnography. Those keywords will help you find qualitative research. If you, for some reason, read my feedback and you need to redo your paper, you definitely can resubmit it. If you need an extra day to redo your paper because of the feedback I gave you since I was so late, please take an extra day. Just email me and let me know you need some extra time to redo your paper based on my feedback. So that is totally fine. I realized it took me way too long to grade this paper, so I wanted to give you that opportunity. My birthday kind of got in the middle of all that. So let me know if you have any questions and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Don't forget your paper is due tonight.